So if you are advertising any product for earning money purpose, first if you go option call is product links. Suppose nowadays what the product will be very high preference. Is the most preference. First of all, we can go to Amazon.in. I'll give you a very simple step how to add the product on your Amazon to your website for earning purpose. So in this, so many options are there. We are going for which one? Redmi Mi7. There will be 5th anniversary. They'll give offer. So I'll promote which one? Redmi Mi7. Which one? Redmi Mi7. So they give an offer. Go back. How much offer will give a discount for? 1500. They give the discount. Here two options. Get link and the options are here. Is that Amazon link? But I'm not using Amazon link. I'm using for HTML code. Select get link. Select get link. Here promotion will be total 4 types. Text and image, text only, image only, add a widget. Widget they using for WordPress. I'm adding in the previous class. I'll show one encoding is other. Here is I'm using for WordPress option is using for widget option. First, I'm selecting image only. Copy. Select my Amazon product. Select your particular site. Create your page. Create your new page. In this, give some space. HTML. Add the code. Then product. Now I add by one more code here. Text and image. Copy. Product link. This is a candidate for 2 links. Offer. So guys, don't forget your content. Any content first notepad. Without content, they can understand what is the product. What is the product? Our product image is there. Yes or no? Done. And build the link. Which one? Redmi 7 mobile phone with the best discount. To build the link will be in India. People searching for in India also definitely. I click for publish. Done. Now check for view. They will done by your things, the content. Everything will be image and the text. Is it clear? So in the before you can upload the one image to create the content. Is it clear? This is called design your particular option and particular product adding for your website. Is it clear? Tomorrow I'll show by how to add the product will be in WordPress. I will using PHP and other websites.